Hello, today we will guide you through how to use the Stock Hacker scanner in Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll use the built-in scanner to quickly narrow the market down to stocks that meet simple, practical criteria. The goal is to help you understand where everything is, why each click matters, and how to get a clean list of candidates without getting lost in menus. Start by opening Thinkorswim. Give the platform a moment to load fully so the data connections are stable and charts and quotes are updating. If you're new to the interface, don't worry. Everything we need is located along the top navigation bar and in the main work area just below it. Next, look for the Scan tab at the top of the platform. Click it to open the scanning workspace. This area is designed to filter the entire stock universe down to only the symbols that match your conditions. You'll see a set of criteria rows and controls that you can customize, along with space where your results will appear. Now click on Stock. This ensures you're working within the Stock Hacker tool, which is specifically built for scanning stocks rather than options or other products. It's the right place to set straightforward filters like price, volumes, and other fundamental or technical fields. Click on the sample stock area shown in your view. Treat this as a simple reference point while you set up your filters. It doesn't lock you into a single symbol. It's just a way to orient yourself and confirm you're in the correct panel for configuring stock-related criteria. Drag to adjust the volume setting. This slider lets you define a minimum trading volume so your scan focuses on more liquid names. Higher volume generally means tighter bid-ask spreads and easier order fills. If you're not sure where to start, choose a level that filters out thinly traded stocks but still leaves you with a workable list. You can always tighten or loosen this threshold later. Once you're done adjusting, take a moment to review the number you set. Make sure the value reflects your intent, whether you want a broad list for exploration or a more selective list for immediate action. A quick double check here helps avoid overwhelming results, or, conversely, no results at all. When everything looks right, click Scan. The platform will apply your settings and populate a results list. That's your filtered universe based on the volume criteria you just defined. From here, you can explore the symbols, open charts, and consider next steps in your analysis. And that's it. You've successfully used the Stock Hacker scanner in Thinkorswim to run a clean, volume-based search.